Hello gardeners. Today I will tell you what must be done with garlic so that the garlic bulb grows to its maximum varietal size. Also at the end of the video I will answer the question why garlic leaves are turning yellow now, and what to do about it. In Ukraine, already at the beginning of June, garlic begins to produce a seed arrow. And this means that if you skip the moments and do not remove it, then the garlic bulb completely stops growing, and begins to give all its strength and nutrition to lay offspring, namely, so that the seeds ripen in this arrow. It turns out that the garlic bulb will stop, and will be in the size in which it is now. But if you cut it off, then again the garlic bulb will continue to increase in size. But when cutting the arrows, you need to be careful not to harm the garlic, namely, you need to take an ordinary pruner, or special garden shears, and cut the arrow under the topmost sheet, leaving a small stump. Here's how I do it. The main thing is that in no case should this arrow itself be pulled out with your hands. Because if you make an effort, you can pull it out, but then a void remains in the garlic stalk. Pests get in there and begin to destroy the garlic from the inside. Diseases and moisture can also get in. It will start to rot, and then the garlic bulbs will not only stop growing, but simply disappear, and you will be left without a crop. So remove the arrow correctly. Pruning arrows of garlic is best done in the morning on a hot day, so that the cut dries quickly until the evening. Then I will give you one more piece of advice. Leave at least 1 or 3 seed shoots throughout your garlic plantation. Leave them on underdeveloped plants that have a thin stem, since a large bulb will no longer be obtained from it. But as a signal plant that it's time to dig up the garlic crop, it will do. Because you can't wait with garlic harvesting. If you remove the garlic very early, you will get a shortfall in the harvest, and it will not store well into the winter. Also, if the garlic is removed very late, it will begin to rot in the ground, and such garlic will not be stored for a long time. But when the family arrow straightens up and the seed chambers open, this means that the garlic is already completely ready for harvesting. And that's why I always leave a couple of such signal plants on my garlic bed. Well, at the end of the video, as promised, I tell you why garlic leaves turn yellow in June. There are 3 reasons for this that should be corrected. The first, garlic may begin to turn yellow due to lack of moisture. A strong heat came, the enemies are not enough for him, so the tips turn yellow. It can also be the complete opposite. If it rains for a week or more, there's a lot of moisture, then the garlic cannot absorb food normally and therefore its tips turn yellow. But they can also turn yellow due to lack of nutrition. So tonight after trimming the garlic, so that the cuts dry out in a day, I will carry out top dressing. I showed it in yesterday's video. Go to my channel and take a look. Also be sure to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. If you have any questions, ask in the comments and see you in the next video.